The Central Tibetan Administration dedicates the year 2020 as a year of gratitude to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. And as a part of this year-long celebration, the Department of Information and International Relations is bringing to you a virtual marathon talk series on the 4 principal commitments of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama.
So what are the 4 principal commitments of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama?
Promotion of human values, promotion of religious harmony, preservation of Tibet's culture and environment, and revival of ancient Indian wisdom.
Right. These 4 principal commitments reflect His Holiness the Dalai Lama's lifelong conviction and effort to create a more peaceful, tolerant, and rational world by instilling hope in the younger generation. We can hear more about these 4 principal commitments from prominent personalities, scholars, authors, and many more.
More than 120 speakers from 19 different countries, speaking in 15 different languages, will take part in this week-long talk series.
Tibettv will broadcast the week-long series on its Facebook and YouTube page beginning on the 4th of December 2020.